Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. I'm Gilda Bringas Pilarta, 58 years old, widow, and have three children, aged 34, 32, and 29. I have been in Hong Kong for almost 25 years. I worked with my first employer. I worked there for 16 years, have one child and one newborn baby. I do cooking, marketing, ironing, cleaning, and when the children grow up, I send them to school and some activities. My second employer is one elderly, finished contract also. I also do working, cleaning, cooking, and everything. And I always take good care for him. My third employer is four members of the family and two newborn babies. And then when they grow up, I send them to school and some activities. Cooking, cleaning, ironing, laundry, and marketing is all my work. Thank you, ma'am.